Hello, beautiful. Happy Monday. And let me light some sage for you. I'm here today because I have been thinking of doing a spiritual workshop and I wanted to get your feedback. Okay, so let me give you some sage to begin with because Mondays are a pain in the ass. Okay, so, like I said, I've been thinking that I want to do a spiritual workshop, but I want it to be private. I wanted to have a personal touch, and maybe I can do it virtually or locally if you're in South Florida. Virtually, I can do it on YouTube, and you just get a special link like that. Not everybody can get in there. If you have any questions that are private, only those in the group will know what is the question. And this is your time really to ask anything that you need spiritually, anything that involves how to live your life with purpose. And this is my way of giving back to the community because sometimes we just need that personal touch. Okay, that personal touch of someone just simply asking the questions. Hey, I've been having issues with my partner about this. What else can I do about it? Or I've been having issues with my job about this. What can I do about that? Or yes, I have been using crystals, but this is not working for me. What else do you recommend? Or it doesn't even have to be about you sitting there and learning. It could be an actual workshop when we are both doing a ritual. And what do I mean by that? So starting July 26th to August 8th, July 26th, yeah. So the star series, it is aligned, the brightest star on earth, it is aligned with earth, and then the sun would be on the sign of Leo. If you do not follow astrology, that is okay, but Leo, the sign of Leo represents strength, power, courage. It is the time where you step into the light, when you step up and be a leader. This is a potent portal for everyone to manifest what they desire, for everyone to clear whatever is in their way, for everyone to set an intention for what is coming for the next 6 months. So we can do this together. I have to do it regardless because I have my own problems too. Okay, I'm not perfect. I am a human and I have issues as well that I have to work with. So I can do a ritual by myself, or we can both do it together. Okay, it is that simple. Or if you have a question, oh, excuse me. If you have a question about something in particular that you have been struggling with and you just don't want to mention it on the comments, just send me a message. Send me an email. Hey, I've been trying to do this, but it's not working for me. Can we talk about that? Can we do a workshop about that? I don't want this to be where you sit down and you just watch. I want you to be doing something with your hands. I'm very hands-on. That's how I learn. I also want it to be very private. I do not like going to classes that they have 30 people, 40 people, 50 people. It is too much for me. It is extremely overwhelming. At the end of the day, I am, how do I say this? Because I am extroverted for certain things, what I need to be, but I'm actually very introverted. I'm very reserved. And a lot of people who know me personally would tell you this. I do not make friends with everyone. I'm very selective who I hang out with, who I talk to, who I bring into my energy, especially now with how things are just going around. Okay, so I want this to be as small as possible, around 20 people, no more, no less. If there's more people, great, but I don't think I would do more than 25 people because I like to get to know you. I would like to build a community. And if you are local, that's even better. I could do something here in South Florida. So this is your time to ask what you want based on those things. Like I said, based on how to live a life with purpose. What does that mean? Because a lot of people don't know what that means. Okay, you think that you're waking up every day and doing the same thing because you have a good salary and because you go home, that means to live a life with purpose. It isn't, okay? What it means to live a life with purpose is to do what you love every single day. regardless of the outcome, regardless of the pay. That's different. Okay, but we can talk about that. We can talk about, I really want to get hands-on. Okay, not really about teaching, not really about talking, I guess you can say that. I want both of us to be working on it because I need to get into my zone. I need to do the ritual that I said during that portal regardless. So I said, hey, let's just do it together. If this is something that you're interested in, please, 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 I am ready to receive the feedback. I am ready to help you guys. This is my way of helping the community. This is my way of just giving back. So please be open-minded to get weird. Please get weird. Don't be shy. I'm a Scorpio. I can take anything. Meaning like you cannot get too weird for me. Okay, we are already getting weird by just me being in this space. So please be open. Send me an email, send me a message. This would take place at the end of the month. That's what I was thinking, maybe during that portal. And yeah, so I look forward to your feedback. So please let me know. Bye.